Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another gaming setup video, and the gaming station that I'm about to build will feature the brand new Xbox Series X, and not just that, but the brand new iPhone 12 will also make an appearance. But before we get to that, let me announce the like goals and giveaways for this video. If this video happens to get 30,000 likes before 2020 ends, I will choose someone from the comments and that person will get a brand new Xbox Series S. If this video gets 50,000 likes before 2020 ends, the winner will get an Xbox Series X with an Elite Series 2 controller. Now here's the grand prize, guys, and listen closely. If this video gets 250,000 likes before December 31st, 2020, the winner will get this dream gaming setup, which includes the following: an Xbox Series X, a PlayStation 5, a gaming desk, a gaming chair, 2 monitors, a MacBook, and an iPhone 12, along with other gaming accessories. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me how this dream gaming setup would change your life. One last thing before we get started with this setup, don't forget to show support for this channel by becoming a member. Simply just click on the button next to the subscribe button that says join and go from there. Alright then guys, let's get to building this awesome Xbox gaming station. The first thing I gotta say is that getting this Xbox Series X was not easy after the pre-orders were sold out, but it's always helpful to know people that know people. Anyway guys, this whole setup will be based around the Xbox Series X, so let's get to unboxing this machine. And I'm still upset over the fact that I had originally bought 5 of the Xbox Series X, but I was only able to get 2 on release day, and this one is one of them. And no guys, I wasn't gonna keep all 5 of them. 3 of those were going to my giveaway winners, but that's okay, I'll just find another way to get more game consoles. Anyway, look at this beauty. It's the Xbox Series X, and it was officially released November 10th, 2020, and I got it the day of. Microsoft went all out with its packaging this time around. I gotta say that I expected bigger but light, and instead I got smaller but heavy, but none of those matter in the end because this is a beast regardless. The face of it has similar components such as the disk drive, the sync button, the eject button, and of course the iconic power button. Honestly, on my end, it was love at first sight when I saw this machine, and I'd like to believe that this Xbox also thinks the same. Haha, just kidding guys. But this is a beautiful beast, and I'll show you guys towards the end how the co-king of the console world takes its place in the gaming station that I'm about to put together. And everyone pretty much knows that the asking price for this system is $500 plus taxes. But you know what guys, I gladly paid that. Moving on pranksters, a few days before getting the Xbox Series X, I actually bought the brand new iPhone 12. I chose to go with the standard one, not only because it was the perfect size for my liking, but also because it was the only one available. Just like the Xbox, I didn't mind paying a high price for this. For only 1,000 bucks, I was able to bring this iPhone home with me. Well, actually, it was shipped to me, but you guys get the point. This iPhone brings back so many memories of 2011. That's when I got my first iPhone, the iPhone 4S. The size is what made me go for this phone. It really is a beauty to look at, but unfortunately this thing only offers face recognition to unlock it. Sure, a lot of people like that function, but I hate it, and I've recently noticed that a lot of people are complaining about it because now we live in the age of COVID, so it's kinda hard to unlock while wearing a mask. Overall, this iPhone is a great gadget, but it's still not worthy of being my main phone. I will stick with my iPhone 8 Plus as my main phone as it offers Touch ID and the home button's still there, which I think they should really bring it back. Anyway guys, this iPhone will be part of the setup as well. This is the room where I'll be setting up the new gaming station. It will be going on the left side of this window, and if you recall, not too long ago I built a gaming station on this side and I covered up the whole wall with black plastic bags, and I've decided to leave those on there and just build around it. As I've stated time and time again, I love black walls behind gaming setups. Since I wasn't too happy with the window being there, I went on Amazon and bought this tapestry for $17, and it was quite appropriate for this gaming room, as you can see right here. Not only was it cheap, but it served its purpose very well. It covered up the whole window and it gave it a more gaming room look. For this setup, I brought in my GT Racing gaming desk, which I did use in a previous video. This desk is valued at $150, and the main reason why I chose to use this desk is its length. It offers plenty of room for all my new gadgets. On it I placed a giant mouse pad that goes with it. It was fitted perfectly. Right above the desk I wanted to hang up another tapestry, so again I resorted to Amazon for that and found this really cool looking astronaut tapestry, which is one of my favorite poses of all time. I can't believe I only paid $12 for this. I used thumbtacks to hold it up on the wall, and that was it. For the other wall I bought some really cool gaming posters. For $17 I got this pack of 10 cool designs that every gamer should have. I'm only gonna use 3 of those, and they best represent my Xbox gaming setup. To power up this gaming station, I got this AUKEY Power Strip Tower. For $50, this is a must-have for any gaming setup, especially if you have a lot of gadgets that need to get powered. This power strip comes with 2 USB Type-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, and 12 AC outlets. This is the ultimate charging station that will meet your needs for power. Altogether, you can power up 17 devices at a time, and this thing is more than capable of handling that. So now I can keep my laptops, smartphones, game consoles, and monitors powered up without any issues. My favorite part is its appearance. It looks freaking awesome, and it can conveniently hide in the background and still be accessible. Just plug it into any outlet and push on the top so it's on standby mode. I decided to keep this power strip tower on top of the desk. My main monitor of choice for this was this $160 24.5-inch AUKEY Full HD monitor. Although this monitor is cheaper than most, it does offer everything that the new Xbox Series X needs. 144Hz refresh rate, and the response rate was at a perfect 1 millisecond. The stand for this was quite easy to set up. It was just a matter of sliding one side in and popping in the other side. This monitor will go right on the center of the desk. For my next monitor, I'll need the help of a stand. So I resorted to this nifty Lamicall tablet stand, which I got for $19. It was very adjustable, but it will stay put any way I want. It's perfect for your everyday tablets and iPads, but I will use it for something else. You see guys, a few weeks ago I gifted Sinfado this really cool AUKEY 15.6-inch portable Full HD monitor, but then he traded it back to me for a different monitor, and I'm actually quite happy that he did, because this monitor can go on any gaming station. These typically go for $190 on Amazon. Although this monitor's cover transforms into a stand, I much rather use the Lamicall stand, as it will give me the view flexibility that I need when gaming. I will leave it on the left side of the main gaming monitor. On the opposite end of the desk, I will be placing my MacBook, and to prepare for that, I did buy a stand for it. Let me introduce you to the Lamicall laptop stand. Putting it together was very easy and simple. It was just a matter of adjusting a few screws in place, and look at that guys. Not only is this a stand, but a riser as well. It will give my MacBook the height it needs, and it rotates so I can have the option of adjusting it any way that I want. It's the perfect laptop accessory, and for $36 I just couldn't say no. As you can see, it makes my MacBook look that much better. And just so you guys know, if you like any of the items that you see in this video, remember that you can get your own, as I have affiliate links in the description for these products featured in this video, such as this Lamicall laptop stand. Seeing as I would have so many gadgets and cables to keep track of, I needed something that would simplify my life. So that's why I resorted to this AV Access 4-in-1 KVM switcher. This metal box has all I need to make switching from devices that share the same monitor very easy and quick. On the back, there's 4 HDMI ports as well as 4 USB Type-B ports. I can also hook up my keyboard and mouse if I wish to use multiple computers. Essentially what this does guys is that it switches between devices without having to plug and unplug cords every time. With just a press of a button on the front interface, I can achieve the switch with ease. For $86 you can avoid the hassle of dealing with cords and connections. This AV Access 4-in-1 HDMI switcher can become a gamer's best friend. This eMeet Luna computer speakerphone was sent to me not too long ago, and at first I had no idea what it was and didn't think that I have much use for it, but I gotta say that having one of these on a desk can become very essential, especially if you're on calls often and you're surrounded by noise. For $90 you can get this Bluetooth speakerphone that not only makes conference calls much more bearable as it cancels out unwanted noise, but it also allows for others nearby to join in on that conference, as this speakerphone comes with 3 microphones evenly spaced out for a great 360 talking and listening experience. My headset of choice for this gaming setup was this FILL Canviis noise cancelling wireless headphones. When unboxing these, I did not expect them to be packaged so elegantly. They came in this black zip-up case. When I pulled them out, they were very lightweight, and although they look smaller than I thought they would be, I was still impressed by the feel of it, no pun intended. Although these are wireless, you do have the wired option of plugging them in, but overall it does come down to your preference. If you choose to connect through Bluetooth, you get really great connectivity up to 330 feet. I was most impressed with its battery life because once fully charged, you get 33 hours of non-stop action. The price for this is on par with other top audio brands at $160, but you still get your money's worth with this one, especially if you're looking to experiment with a different brand. These FILL headphones will take the rightful place below the desk on the designated hook. A while back, I unboxed the Fifine 678 USB microphone, and it was just exactly what a small streamer needs when starting out, so I decided to bring those out again for this gaming station. I love the fact that it's small and that it's compact, so it will fit just about anywhere, but also it does come with quality functions that I would need to live stream on Twitch. The audio is way above average, and if you know a thing or two about audio and how to process it, this little mic can do wonders for you. While on Amazon, I looked for custom Xbox decor, and the thing that caught my eye the most was this white Xbox logo wall light. The asking price was $27, so it was a little up there for what you get inside this box. With this, you get the option to hang it up on any wall or attach its clear stand on it to place it on your desk. You can also choose how to power it, either through USB or 3 AAA batteries. I chose to hang this up with the battery option. The darker the room is, the better the Xbox logo stands out. Since I still had this box of RGB lights that Novostella sent to me not too long ago, I decided to put them to use on this desk as well. This roll consists of 20 feet of lights, and as you can see, there are many patterns that you can get with these lights. With just one click on the wireless remote, you can go from one color to another in half seconds. These type of lights always make any gaming room pop. I especially like these Novostella lights for their music rhythm function. I wrapped this one around the end of the table, and I even had enough left over to wrap around the back of the monitor. As I always say, the more lighting the better. Since I like to watch videos on my phone while I'm either gaming or editing a video, I got this AUKEY Basics Pro series power bank that not only powers my devices while I'm on the go, but it also serves as a phone stand, and in the process it charges my phone while I sit back and watch a video or a movie. Any device that supports a USB or USB Type-C port will get a fast charge at almost double the rate of a typical charger. This AUKEY Basics Pro series power bank typically goes for $30 on Amazon, but if you're lucky you might get it on sale for cheaper. Again guys, as I stated before, I have affiliate links for these products in the description below. I highly recommend to you guys this power bank from AUKEY. With the back leg popped out and the front mount pulled out, I can simply just place this in the middle of the desk, and on top of that I can position my iPhone 12, which by the way I still haven't set up. But look at that, it looks beautiful. Last but not least, I made room on the desk for the Xbox, and this was the perfect spot for it. And that pretty much completes this epic Xbox Series X gaming setup. All I did now was bring in my custom made Maxnomic gaming chair. Just look at the Xbox guys, this thing looks amazing anywhere you place it. Although I did get this Xbox on the day of its release, it was not easy getting it, but I'll tell you guys, this machine is worth every penny that you pay for it. It more than delivers on being the best gaming console in the world. And now guys, before I wrap up this video and sit down and enjoy this Xbox, I'd like to remind you guys about the giveaways for this video. If this video gets 30,000 likes before 2020 ends, I will choose someone from the comments and that person will get a brand new Xbox Series S. If this video gets 50,000 likes before 2020 ends, I will gift someone an Xbox Series X with an Elite Series 2 controller. And the grand prize, if this video gets 250,000 likes before 2020 ends, the winner will get a dream console gaming setup which will include an Xbox Series X, a PlayStation 5, a gaming desk, a gaming chair, 2 monitors, a MacBook, and an iPhone 12, along with other gaming accessories. And to participate, it's important that you like this video and leave a cool comment below. That is it, pranksters, best of luck. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to continue supporting my channel, please consider subscribing and becoming members of my channel. Thanks a lot, pranksters. I'll see you guys in my next video where I will build a PlayStation 5 gaming setup.